See here, I've bent my handlebars up a little bit. Got a little too crazy, jumping the side of a ditch, rolled it onto the side of a gravel road. Bent the bar pretty good, chipped all the paint off, bending it that far. So it made it a little awkward to ride. I got used to it. On the following weekend, I was trying a side hill, and I rolled it on the right side, on my throttle side, and bent that up pretty good too, so time to replace the bars. Alright, I got the new bars on. Luckily I was able to use the heating elements and the isolators from the original bars. It wasn't too bad to pull them off. I just heated them with the hair dryer and used the air gun to get the original hand grips off and peeled it back. Kept most of it intact. Was able to stick it back on and then tape it tight with the electrical tape here. I've got my new mountain grips. Try and get those on with the air hose.